By the end of today's drawing challenge, we will be one step closer to understanding the joy that can come from drawing. So grab your drawing tools because this challenge will only make sense if you try it with hands-on practice. I will be using a regular mechanical pencil with 0.5 lead in it, but any drawing tool will work here. Use whatever you have closest to you right now. I also have a cute worksheet that you can grab on the site if you want a box to work within, but any sketchbook or paper will work here. Just grab what you have nearby. The worksheet is mostly there because I like making them. Now let's start drawing. For the next 10 minutes, we are going to keep our pencils moving without drawing any specific subject matter. So draw shapes and lines, do some shading, but don't draw any faces or characters. Explore the abstract elements we can draw. Those are our rules for the challenge, but the main goal here is to pay closer attention to the physical sensation of drawing. What does it actually feel like to make these marks on paper? What does it feel like to hold your pencil, to move your hand and see all of this happening before you? Focus in on that for a minute. What do you notice about the experience? Make some mental notes about your drawing experience. Describe it to yourself. Slow down a bit. Move your pencil like 20% slower. How does that change your drawing experience? What does the texture of the paper feel like, and how does it change when you draw slower? Keep your hand moving, but now pay attention to how you are holding your body. Is there tension in your neck or upper back? How is your breathing? Try to relax your body and slow down. What would your body feel like in a state of joy? Can you bring some of those elements into the present moment? How about we try a light smile as we draw? Maybe think of someone who brings you joy. How does that change your inner experience? Now let's change our pencil grip slightly. Maybe put your pencil down for a second and then pick it back up. Does the pencil feel more familiar now that we have been drawing for a bit? Let's return to the physical sensation. Describe the sensation to yourself in your mind. What does it feel like to make the marks on the page? Is your paper very smooth so the pencil glides across it easily, or is it more textured so you can feel the pencil scratching the page? You may have negative thoughts come into your mind, but just hold them lightly. Don't judge yourself for having the thoughts, but also acknowledge that they will pass away eventually. In these final minutes, let's relax our body fully and draw slowly. As we do this, I want you to thank yourself for taking the time to draw. Drawing can truly be a form of self-care, and you should feel proud of yourself for making space for that. Taking care of yourself also makes you better equipped to take care of others, so this is no small feat. If you feel good in this moment, see if you can go another 10 minutes by replaying this video. You can also check out many more beginner drawing challenges and lessons on the site. And when you feel ready, go check out my drawing courses where we can do tons more drawing together. Thank you for letting me be your art companion. See you again soon.